Welcome back to our Wix automation series. If you've ever wanted your automated email to say hi and then the customer's name or include the exact product they just bought, you need the property picker. The property picker allows you to include dynamic personalized data from your site directly into the actions of your automation. It's the secret weapon for making your communications feel tailored and professional. So in this video, we'll show you exactly what the property picker is, where to find it, and how to use it to customize your automated emails. First, we need an automation that has an action that uses data, like send an email, for example. You can create a new automation with that action, or you can use an existing one that has it as an action. So first, we're going to go to automations. Now, we need an automation that has an action that uses data, like send an email, for example. You can create a new automation with that action, or you can use an existing one that has it as an action. We've created an automated email in one of our videos, so let's use that one instead. By the way, if you haven't watched our video on how to create an automated email, we'll link it below. Now, let's go and edit it. All right, so if you created a new one, don't forget to rename your automation, add a trigger, and select an action, specifically to send an email. So click on your action, and on the left, go to the Create an Email section and then click on Edit. Once you're in the email editor, click the body of the email where you want to insert your personalized information. On the left, under Dynamic Content, click on Add Personalized Content. And this is your property picker. Select which value you'd like to add. In my case, I'd like to add the first name. So now when a contact named Jane fills out the form, the automation runs and the email they receive will automatically replace that tag with her name or the name Jane. It's that simple. And then input your fallback text. It's a substitute for missing information, ensuring that your message or display remains complete and meaningful rather than just a confusing blank or a confusing tag. So you can say something like, "Hello, valued customer," for example, and then click on Add. It will automatically be added here. So now, go ahead and change your message to something that you would like to send to your recipients. So replace the message over here. So this is just a very generic example. Yeah, you can do so much better than this. And apart from customizing your message, you can customize the other elements on your email as well. So you can add an image if you want to. You can also add a call to action button. If not, you can just delete the elements that you don't really need. And of course, it's going to have a footer, so make sure that you also input the correct information on your footer elements over here. If you like, you can also choose a theme or add a background to it to make it look, well, much nicer. Anyway, once you're done, review everything, make sure that there are no mistakes, and if everything's all good, click on Save and Continue. And you'll now be taken back to the automation editor. Click on Apply here, and then click on Publish Changes if this is a pre-existing automation. But if you created a new automation, it should say Activate over here. So anyway, click on that button. And there we go. We hope you found today's video of help. If you did, hit like and subscribe for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.